Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Microsoft Word is not responding. It can be pretty simple, let's get started. First, open the search panel and search Services. Open the Services app. After that, search the process, which name is, I forgot it. It starts with P, Print Spooler. Here it is. Then right click on it and select Properties. After that, in Startup type, select Manual. Apply, wait please, and OK. Print Spooler is running manually on Startup. Now Print Spooler will not run automatically on Windows Startup and will not interfere with Microsoft Word. To apply these settings, restart your computer. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Have a nice day. Good luck. See you next time.